Welcome to Shine Tires in a journey into the depths of artificial intelligence, where we ponder the age-old question, can we train an AI to think exactly like us? Join us as we embark on a riveting exploration of the intricate workings of the human mind and the cutting-edge advancements in AI technology, seeking to unravel the enigma of human-like cognition. From the neurons firing in our brains to the algorithms running in silicon, we delve into the essence of thought itself, probing the mysteries of consciousness, perception, and creativity. What defines the essence of human thought? From the intricacies of language comprehension to the nuances of emotional intelligence, the human mind exhibits a vast spectrum of cognitive capabilities, honed over millennia of evolution. But can we distill this rich tapestry of thought into lines of code and algorithms that an AI can emulate? As we peer into the labyrinth of neural networks and cognitive psychology, we confront the fundamental question, is human intelligence simply a product of biochemical processes, or does it transcend the boundaries of our physical existence? While AI has made remarkable strides in mimicking human-like behavior in specific domains, such as pattern recognition and decision-making, the journey to recreate the breadth and depth of human cognition poses formidable challenges. From understanding the subtleties of context and intention to grappling with the complexities of creativity and intuition, the path to AI that truly thinks like us is fraught with obstacles. Yet, as we push the boundaries of AI research, we unlock new dimensions of understanding and pave the way for unprecedented breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. As we venture into the realm of AI that mirrors human thought, we confront profound ethical dilemmas. What are the implications of creating AI entities that possess human-like intelligence? How do we safeguard against the misuse of this technology, ensuring accountability, transparency, and fairness in its deployment? As we grapple with these questions, we must strive to uphold the principles of ethics and humanity in the development and use of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to evolve at an exponential rate, the convergence of human and machine intelligence heralds a new era of possibility and peril. What are the societal, economic, and philosophical implications of a world where AI can think and reason like us? And how do we navigate the delicate balance between harnessing the potential of AI for the betterment of humanity and mitigating the risks of unintended consequences? In shaping the future of AI and humanity, let us tread thoughtfully and responsibly, guided by the wisdom of ethics and the pursuit of knowledge. As we conclude our odyssey into the realm of artificial intelligence and human cognition, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and uncertainty. The quest to unlock the secrets of the human mind and replicate it in silicon is a journey fraught with complexity and ambiguity. Yet, as we continue to push the boundaries of AI research, let us do so with humility, empathy, and a deep reverence for the intricacies of human thought. Join us in our pursuit of understanding and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions on the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible in the realm of AI and beyond.